Tired of waiting forever for your Windows 11 updates to download? Don't worry, I will show you how to speed things up right now. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you through the best fix to how to slow down Windows 11 update downloads fix. Let's jump in. Method 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. When Windows 11 update is slow, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. This can help detect and fix common update issues automatically. Here is how to run the troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu button and type Troubleshoot. Select the Troubleshoot settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters and choose to run Windows Update. Wait for the process to complete and then try again. Method 2. Free up disk space. Lack of storage can also prevent Windows updates from installing properly. So, free up some disk space. Here is how to do that. Press Windows +I to open settings, then go to System, then select Storage. Click Temporary Files and select Unnecessary Files. Click Remove Files and restart your PC. Method 3. Restart the Windows Update service. The next thing you can do is restart the Windows Update service. This service ensures it is running properly and can update your system. Now here is how to do that. Press Windows +R, type services.msc and hit enter. Scroll down to Windows Update service, then right click on it and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic, click OK and then select Start if the service is stopped. Click Apply and then check if the update works. Method 4. Optimize network. You should also optimize network. You can use an Ethernet cable if possible. Restart your modem or router. Next, you can run this command prompt as admin and then run these commands given below in the elevated command prompt window. Once done, restart your PC. Next, go to Windows Settings, then select Windows Update. Next, go to Advanced Options, then Delivery Optimization. Then select Uncheck Allow downloads from other devices. Method 5. Restart the Windows Update components. Next, you can restart Windows Update components manually. Here is how to do so. Type command prompt in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Now run these commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the description below, so you can copy and paste them from there. Once done, restart your PC and check for updates. Method 6. Clear the software distribution cache. Press Win+E to open File Explorer, go to Drive C, then Windows, then Software Distribution. Now select everything inside the folder and delete. If any files are in use, skip them for now. Method 7. Run DISM and SFC commands. The next thing you can do is run DISM and SFC scans to repair system files and fix update-related corruption. Open an elevated command prompt window, execute the following commands one by one, then wait for the process repair to finish. Then restart your PC and check for updates. Method 8. Uninstall updates. Reverting your system to a previous state can resolve update issues caused by recent changes. To do that, open Settings, go to Windows Update, then select Update History. Click Uninstall Updates, then select and remove the latest installed update. Restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, try to reinstall the latest update. Method 9. Check the date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause update issues. To check the date and settings, open Settings. Then select Time and Language, then Date and Time. Enable Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Restart your PC and try updating again. Method 10. Use safe mode to install updates. Background applications can cause slow updates, so you can use safe mode to install the updates. Here is how to do that. Press Windows +R, type msconfig and hit enter. Go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot and select Network. Click Apply, then OK. Then restart your PC. Try running Windows Update. Method 11. Clean install Windows. If all else fails, performing a clean installation of Windows ensures a fresh, error-free system. Download a valid Windows version from Microsoft's website. Click on the Download Now option and follow the instructions to complete a clean installation. Once done, activate Windows with your product key and set up your system. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the process to complete and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. You now know how to fix slow Windows 11 update downloads and keep your system running smoothly. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech solutions. Share your experience in the comments. Your tips might help others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.